Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex broker cent accounts. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have InstaForex. InstaForex, a renowned online Forex broker, stands as a global leader in providing a comprehensive range of financial services for traders and investors worldwide. Established with a commitment to innovation and excellence, InstaForex has emerged as a trusted platform for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments that cater to the dynamic needs of traders on its platform. These instruments include Forex, shares, indices, commodity futures, oil and gas, cryptocurrencies, and Insta futures. Whether traders are looking to engage in short-term intraday trading or adopt a long-term investment approach, InstaForex's diverse range of currency pairs caters to various trading styles and preferences. InstaForex offers a state-of-the-art trading experience through its versatile and user-friendly trading platforms, providing traders with powerful tools to navigate the dynamic financial markets. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 platform, the MetaTrader 5 platform, the multi-terminal trading platform, and their proprietary WebTrader trading platform. Whether traders are novices or seasoned professionals, the InstaForex platforms caters to a diverse range of trading styles and preferences for those who prioritize accessibility and functionality in their trading activities. Traders can choose from an array of trading account types, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance their trading experience. These accounts include the Insta and Cent, Standard and Eureka accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, InstaForex's range of trading platforms and account types ensures that they have the tools and flexibility needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. The broker also offers a wide array of educational resources, which encompasses a variety of formats, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and video content. These materials cover fundamental concepts, technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, offering traders valuable insights into the complexities of the financial markets. InstaForex actively also promotes practical learning through demo accounts, allowing traders to apply their required skills in a risk-free environment. This hands-on experience helps traders gain confidence and proficiency before venturing into live trading. Overall, InstaForex stands as a distinguished force in the online trading industry, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to cater to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. With a commitment to innovation, transparency, and client satisfaction, InstaForex provides a user-friendly and secure trading environment. Whether one is looking to delve into the world of Forex trading, explore diverse financial instruments, or enhance their trading skills, InstaForex offers a dynamic and supportive ecosystem. The broker's continuous efforts to stay at the forefront of industry trends, coupled with its global outreach and community engagement, position InstaForex as a leader in fostering a thriving community of informed and successful traders. At number 4 on our list is Just Markets. Just Markets is a dynamic and innovative online trading platform providing traders with a cutting-edge environment to explore and engage in various financial markets. With a commitment to transparency and user-friendly features, Just Markets has quickly become a preferred choice for traders seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Just Markets offers a diverse array of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. Their comprehensive selection encompasses a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. Just Markets is committed to providing added value to its users, whether it's bonus incentives, reduced fees, or exclusive rewards. Their promotions are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with unique advantages in the financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 with social trading tools. Their accounts are available on Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, Raw Spread, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. These account types are designed to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of its users, whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor. Just Markets has an account option that suits you. From demo accounts for those looking to practice their trading strategies risk-free, to standard accounts with access to a wide variety of trading instruments, and premium accounts with enhanced features and benefits. Just Markets is not just a trading platform, it is also a valuable educational resource hub. They provide a wealth of educational material designed to empower traders and investors at every skill level. From comprehensive tutorials and webinars to insightful articles and video content. Just Markets offers a wide range of resources to enhance your understanding of the financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of trading or refining your advanced strategies, these educational tools provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Coming in at number 3, we have FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with Demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. At number 2 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web Traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers sent accounts, we have Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets, established in 2009, is a trusted global broker offering over 1,000 instruments. Traders can access the markets through a variety of trading platforms for a smooth trading experience. Vantage is known for its reliability and excellent customer support and provides localized services to meet traders' needs, alongside tailored services to make trading easier and more effective. The broker offers access to a wide range of instruments, catering to traders of all levels. Their offerings include Forex with major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, global indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, precious metals such as gold and silver, energy commodities like crude oil and natural gas, as well as soft commodities including coffee, sugar, and cotton. Traders can also access ETFs, share CFDs from major global companies, as well as government and corporate bonds. This extensive selection allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across global markets. Vantage Markets offers a variety of trading platforms to suit different trading styles. The Vantage application allows mobile access to over 1,000 markets, while the MetaTrader platforms provide advanced charting, technical tools, and automated trading. Pro Trader, powered by TradingView, offers customizable charts and analysis, and traders can also use copy trading or demo accounts to practice and replicate successful strategies. Each platform is designed to deliver a smooth and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types to suit traders of all levels. The Cent account is ideal for beginners with small deposits, while the standard STP account provides direct access to institutional spreads and fast execution. More experienced traders can choose the Raw ECN account for minimal spreads or the Pro ECN account for the fastest execution and full pricing transparency. Additionally, Vantage offers a swap-free account for traders who prefer to avoid overnight swap charges. Each account is designed to provide the features and tools needed for a flexible and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of free educational tools through the Vantage Academy, designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Beginners can start with structured online courses covering the fundamentals of Forex, CFDs, and stock trading. For deeper insights, the Bloomberg ebook, Trading Places, provides expert guidance on navigating financial markets. Traders can also access webinars led by market analysts, offering real-time analysis and strategies. Additionally, educational videos, podcasts, and a glossary of trading terminology are available to enhance learning. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic world of trading. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers Cent accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.